If waterfront living is on your checklist, then there's two properties for you to inspect. To find out more about those properties from Lucy Cole, here's how the show works.
Each week on Gold Coast for Sale, you'll view hundreds of properties. To find out more information about the ones that interest you, simply follow 3 easy steps. Step 1. Make a note of the segment ID in the top right of your screen. This will always be the letter S followed by a number. Step 2. Log on to goldcoastforsale.tv. And Step 3. Scroll to the segment ID. Click on it to review the video presentation. There you'll find all the details you could possibly need to register your interest in that property. It's that simple. You'll also notice underneath the segment ID a word. This relates to the price bracket of the property. If you see the word general, you're viewing a general living property valued up to $500,000. Mid-range describes properties that are valued between $500,000 and $1 million. And prestige means you'll be viewing prestige properties valued at over $1 million. So sit back now, relax and enjoy as we take you through the front door of a whole host of properties. From Paradise Point to Banura Point, Gold Coast for Sale will only showcase real estate on the coast. And the show is made only for you. We're exclusive to the Gold Coast.
It's not difficult at all. If you're buying or selling, head to our website, goldcoastforsale.tv, or give us a call on 0755 148 600.
Nikon have some exciting developments across the coast. Let's take a look at the real jewel in their crown, the stunning Nirvana.